If you're uploading videos on YouTube and you are not getting the kind of view that you deserve, I think you should check out this setting inside YouTube Studio. This setting might be the reason why your videos are not getting visibility and not getting subscribers the way you want. This setting has helped a lot of creators that activate it rightly. It has helped them to get more views, more subscribers, and even more visibilities to their channel. And once you activate this setting, it's going to trigger the YouTube algorithm to say, oh, this person actually need viewers, it actually need subscribers to their channel, and they are going to start suggesting your videos to a whole lot of people. And this setting is going to help your channel to get you subscribers, get you views and visibilities to your channel. If this setting is still off in your channel, then you are leaving a lot of views on the table. So let's go straight away. Let me show you how to activate this setting to favor your channel. I'm Shavera. In this channel, I teach small creators how to grow, monetize, the do's and don'ts they need to avoid on YouTube. And if that sounds like what you want, give this video a thumbs up, like this video. So let's get straight to the video. Okay, to get to this setting, you need to go to your Chrome. Just come to this place, studio.youtube.com. Click here. You come to this place, click customization. Okay, you can see your channel banners, all these ones. So this is where we are going. Say home tab. If the thing is like this, you will not be able to see what I'm about to show you. But you activate it on like this, you'll be able to see everything that I'm about to show you. So where we are going to is this blue place here. This is where we are going. Okay, so YouTube recommend fresh content based on your viewers' interest. This is only visible to your viewers when you have enough content. So if you don't have much content, you will not be able to see this place on your channel. You need to start creating plenty content so that you have access to this place. You click on this more setting. So you see the place, it said content type, video, short, live stream. So we'll come to this place. Let me toggle it like this. Then I toggle it like this because of this teaching. Here I say all content recommended. YouTube always update for you session with fresh content. If your own is like this, I want you to quickly turn it to the other side. You say recent content only. Content you have posted in the last 12 months. If you have uploaded video in the last 12 months, these are the content that YouTube is supposed to keep recommending to your viewers, because I believe that the only content you create now is better than those ones you created long time ago. So if you are placing those ones you created long time ago, it may not be able to attract people to click on your videos. So this place help YouTube to recommend your recent content, the content you created, the ones that already trending that time. So if you put it at this place, said all content, YouTube be recommending the updated content, the ones that are not functioning well again, the ones that people are not interested. These are the content that YouTube will keep recommending to people. But if you click on this place, YouTube will recommend your recent content, the new ones you uploaded, the great content you are bringing out new. These are the content that YouTube will keep recommending to your viewers. So I hope you understand what I'm saying. Content you have posted in the last 12 months. That means even the content you are creating last month, 2 months ago, YouTube will keep recommending people those beautiful content. So if your own is not activated like this, please quickly go and activate it. And if you don't really have enough content on your channel to activate this, you need to buckle up and create more beautiful content so that you have access to this. This is where YouTube get triggered. Once you put it on this recent content only, it will trigger the algorithm to know that, oh, this person needs viewers, this person needs subscribers to their channel. This very place help you to get subscribers, help you to get more visibility to your channel. This will help the YouTube algorithm to work on your favor if you activate this place immediately. So you activate it. The moment you activate it, you come down to this place, you click done. The biggest problem a lot of creators does is that the moment they click done, they log out of the place. If you click done and log out of the place, you have not really done anything. You did not do anything because it will not save. The moment you leave there, everything will go back the way it is. You need to publish it. You must publish it for your video to set, for everything to set. So you make sure you publish it. And if you don't have all these settings on your channel, I make video on how to place all these settings and how these settings can help your channel in a very big way. If you don't have all these videos like this, you are really missing out a lot. You are missing out a lot on your channel. So go and watch that video. I'll place it on this place so that you'll be able to go and check those videos and know how to place all these settings so that your channel will skyrocket. Your channel will start growing immediately. These settings help so much. It help a lot. So the moment we finish here, the next thing we'll do is that we come to this place, this dark place. We click publish. The moment it's published, everything you have set in your channel is already set. You are good to go. So guys, this video, I want you to quickly go back to your channel and make sure you activate this. If you don't know how to set all these things, watch this video that is up there to know how to set this. And also, please, for those of you who don't ask questions, if you have any question, please go straight to the comment section and comment any question you have. I'm 24 hours ready to answer any question you have for me. And also try and give this video a thumbs up if you have not done that. If you find value on this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel and share these wonderful videos so that others will get. And when next I come, I'll bring you more beautiful videos. See you in my next video.